Chiliz has not been around very long. But if you've paid attention, you know it promises more than most other cryptocurrencies can right now. Today's Chiliz crypto price prediction makes that clear. Let me explain. Often, when you go to buy anything at a brick-and-mortar store, you slide your card through a card reader made by NCR Corp, formerly known as National Cash Register. Sometimes, you might ask the cashier if their store takes Bitcoin. This can be hit or miss, most often a miss. After all, who wants to trade Bitcoin if you have to wait a half hour for the blockchain confirmation? One of the biggest thorns in cryptocurrency's side has been the slow adoption. Transactions take a while. Governments are not so hot on it. And banks have mixed feelings. You need to look no further than recent events to see why Bitcoin lost about half its peak value. The crypto recently came under fire by lawmakers not being so eco-friendly. China has begun to crack down on cryptocurrency, and who knows what Elon Musk will tweet next. But all of this can be good news for coins that are the real deal. In fact, Chiliz has climbed 4,000% since the start of the year while other tokens circle the drain. Why? Due to being one of the most ecological friendly cryptocurrencies out there. And Chiliz is one of the greatest examples of crypto adoption to date. That's why the outlook is so hopeful for Chiliz over the next 5 years. Chiliz price prediction for 2021. While Bitcoin appears to have fallen about 40% in 2021, the altcoins have followed. Well, all except for Chiliz. AV is a top performer this year, soaring from 2 cents to over 70 cents in a matter of weeks. The fact that the stock moves counter to the broader crypto market is a good sign for the coin. But that is just the tip of the iceberg, which is why many Chiliz crypto price predictions are so bullish. As you can see, Reddit provides the top prediction, aiming at $10. This was the subject of a mass vote that took place on the social media site. Considering how Reddit has moved stocks in the last year, the Reddit vote could say more than just any analyst projection. Of course, what makes Chiliz different from a Reddit stock is that it potentially has more to offer than simply the hype factor. Despite the fact that Ethereum 2.0 is coming, the token's growth will depend on similar partnerships developing in the future. And it's not unrealistic when you really consider what Chiliz actually does. This not your ordinary token. Chiliz, the vision, appearing on the largest blockchain's landscape. Chiliz was officially launched in 2019 even though the seeds of thought for a socially enabled platform were sown in 2016 already in the name and style of socios.com. The blockchain-based interactions through the Chiliz token have facilitated gaming fans worldwide to cast their support in favor of their favorite sports teams. Chiliz, the fan club. Another fan-following factor emerging on this landscape of the Chiliz network is the native token CHZ, which enables fans to buy tokenized voting rights. Football club Juventus was the first to launch a team token through the socios.com website. Since then, there has been no looking back, and a wave of thousands such versatile teams have become an integral driving force of this platform, including an eclectic mix of sports like football, basketball, and esports teams. Chiliz, the architects of the empire. Alexander Dreyfus holds the baton of being the torchbearer of the foundation of the Chiliz network, and sowing the seeds way back in 2016 for socios.com. Having spearheaded notable positions in other conglomerates, he also has to his credit as the founder member of WebCity, a city tour guide platform across Europe. His name is popular among the poker community, especially the first ever French online. Emma Diskin has lent her intellect to the Chiliz network in the capacity of Chief Operating Officer since 2018 and has played a pivotal role in corporate communications. She holds vast experience in the media industry, and so the entertainment network of Chiliz is immensely benefited by her insights. Another crucial role player in the Chiliz network has been Max Rabinovich, who has lent his insightful strategies to the network, and his contributions have been exemplary. Chiliz, the exclusive characteristics. Over the years, scientists and mathematicians cast their spells of blockchain on various industry segments. Still, it would not be an overstatement to say that only Chiliz has been the sole audacious network to have traded the sports world. Not only has the Chiliz network linked the blockchain essentials to the gaming world, but it also has ensured that worldwide investors are protected for their investments in a sports via its token, CHZ. Not surprisingly, this goes alongside their participation from any nook and corner of the world. This unique feature has further enhanced the decentralization features offered by the Chiliz blockchain. Another governing factor in Chiliz network is the POI feature, i.e., power of authority. This consensus is governed by the Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm, which makes it a secure network entirely. Unlike the proof-of-stake and proof-of-work mechanism that has only validators to rely upon with more power consumption for computational purposes. As an open-source, public, cryptocurrency, Chiliz is a digital roadmap created with the primary objective of blockchain-founded data storage and retrieval with a special focus on sports and gaming segments. Chiliz Network has specially created its cryptocurrency CHZ for traders and investors, and institutions, allowing them to trade on multiple exchanges and benefit them from the price escalations. Chiliz monetizes user information, and the unique characteristic of Chiliz is that it is entirely decontrolled with no regulations in the backdrop. Vantage, Chiliz. What is in it for me? As a gaming fan, the most important question that emerges here is how to stake your claim for your favorite team and how to remain highly interactive in the world of gaming and esports by staying connected with your team. This is a nodal factor that enumerates the specifics of data transmission. The Chiliz network has compensated for this purpose. CHZ, the native token that caters to the storage of CHZ tokens and ensures their safe recovery. The same is true with CHZ's pace of implementation. Since the entire ecosystem of Chiliz revolves around the decentralized protocol, the entire process works expeditiously in a secured environment. Chiliz, the technical analysis. Chiliz was launched in August 2019 and has been hyperactive since then. Just within 30 minutes of launch, it had surfaced on the exchange with news of attaining the level of 1 cent compared to its rivals like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it witnessed the highest escalation in price to $0 a single Chiliz. But this trend did not last long and fell to the point of $0 to pandemic impact. During the last November, Chiliz price reached a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it only showed a marginal recovery. However, the performance of Chiliz in the year beginning 2021 has been surprisingly a blessing for investors, as the price shot to a level of 3 cents by February 2021. Since then, there has been no looking back for CHZ, USD on the price front along with volume. Since the beginning of March, the price of Chiliz reflected tremendous growth, and it marked a new all-time high at the 89 cents mark. However, after that, the token faced slight correction, but later, it retained 40 cents price level. In the last month, the CHZ price marked massive rally and touched 75 cents, but later, it corrected down to 40 cents. However, at the time of writing, it has started a price recovery. Chiliz forecast: follow master's advice. As per Chiliz price prediction, Chiliz price shall be 73 cents by the end of 2021, with an optimistic trend looming large in the upcoming few years between 50 cents minus $1. Trading beasts. According to Chiliz price prediction experts, a great time to invest in Chiliz as the price may cross 81 cents in the next 1 year. Gov Capital. Chiliz will probably be carried by the NFT hype for a while. At least, short-term counter movements or even corrections in the coin are nevertheless expected. Chiliz could attract a lot more attention in the coming months. The Chiliz price will certainly not be unaffected. Coin monks. We have made an ambitious bullish trend for 2021 as per our Chiliz price prediction experts. It claims 2021 will be a flawless year for Chiliz taking all factors into account, and the asset could reach as high as $1.02 to enter 2022.